This is a special lash tape that is safe for your skin. If you look at it, you're gonna see that texture. It's actually teeny tiny little holes so that your skin is actually breathing through the holes. Remember though, off camera, my entire technique takes less than 5 minutes. So this tape is not on your eyeball for very long. You do not need scissors or anything. You literally just rip it. You're gonna take your tape horizontal to your eyelid. You're gonna tape it down real close to the base of your lashes, but it's not actually touching the lashes, it's only on the skin. You're gonna lift it up and you're just gonna tape it to your eyebrow like this. Give it a little swipe over, give it a little reptile blink. The reason we tape up our eyelid is so that we can see that waterline. We need to make sure no glue or lashes ever get inside that waterline because that's what's gonna hurt, itch, or irritate you throughout the week. This brand new 1-day lash glue. This lash glue is designed to come off super easy with water at the end of the day, like a tubing mascara. It's tiny. Oh, reptile blink so your eye doesn't dry out. And take this bond and put it all over your lashes from root to tip. Really like this applicator. Very nice, very thin. We're gonna take our applicator and we're gonna dip it in water every single time we pick up a lash. We do this to prevent the fake lash from trying to stick to our applicator. This is what our box of lashes looks like. It comes with 2 of these boxes. They're super fluffy. I'm gonna do a short cat eye. So what I'm gonna do is I'm only gonna use the top 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want you to pick up your lash from the base of the lash, not the tip, so that you don't rip it. That's a good sign. Look at that fluffy fluffer. Oh, she's fluffy. You're gonna transfer your lash over into your other hand. You're gonna come back around. You're gonna grab it by the tip and you are gonna apply it holding it by the tip. You cannot just apply all of your lashes straight up and down like this, guys, because your lashes don't all grow straight up and down. Your outer corner lashes grow this way. Your inner corner lashes grow this way. So what I like to do is tilt my head to assist me with getting the correct angle. So we are going to reptile blink so our eye doesn't dry out. We're going to tilt our head. We're going to take this lash and we're going to get it as close as we can get it to the base of our lashes without getting it inside that waterline. It's going to go down in size. So we're just going to go up to the next row. We are going to apply this side by side with no overlap. I'm gonna take my applicator. Normally you're gonna dip your applicator in water to pinch, but these are water removable glue that I'm testing, so I'm just gonna dry pinch and I'm just gonna see what happens. I'm scared. Pinch your lashes from root all the way up to the tip. Pinch. Lash reveal.